Good morning, Mike Mills, back at you with another episode of Putting Kids Above All. Today we have with us Jennifer Hernandez, Human Resources Generalist. Good morning, Jennifer.
Hi, Mike. How are you?
I'm well. How are
I'm
you?
good, thank you.
Jennifer, can you give us a quick overview of your department and what you do and how it impacts the kids and families that the agency serves?
Absolutely. So the HR department does everything from the selection and training of employees to employee wellness, benefits, policies and procedures, and everything in between. As the generalist, I do a little bit of everything from employee wellness to benefits, like I said, but also I pitch in wherever I am needed. So one of our main goals for the HR department is to find the employees that do the work for us in terms of going out to the community and spreading our mission of protecting, healing, and educating the children and families in our care.
So when the COVID-19 first hit, what was Human Resources' role in keeping staff, kids, and families safe and healthy?
So when COVID-19 first hit, one of our roles was creating an action plan to keep the children and employees in our programs safe and healthy. So we spent hours researching the information from the CDC, the Illinois Department of Public Health, as well as the information from local and state officials to make sure we were in compliance with the recommendations. We also created a communication to send out to employees and program participants to let them know that even though in-person services wouldn't be available, services would continue using alternate methods such as FaceTime, Ring Central, which is similar to Zoom, and other virtual methods so that our clients would still be able to get the information that they needed to be successful.
So Jennifer, tell us how Human Resources had to adjust during this pandemic.
So we're a pretty resilient team. We have our individual responsibilities, but we also work well together as a team. So one thing that we did need to change was traditionally we would do in-person orientations whenever we had new staff that would take place on a monthly basis. And we had to completely change that to more of a virtual method. So it actually worked out really well, and we're really proud of that. So each month as we onboard new employees, we invite them to take part in our virtual orientation monthly, where they're able to learn more about Kids Above All, who we are as an agency, what we do, and learn more about our mission. We've been really successful and we're really proud of it.
So what can we look forward to from Human Resources this year?
So moving forward, we're going to be digitizing our HR department by having some online onboarding, adding more technology to support our mission for the agency, adding more trainings for staff, which include cultural inclusion, diversity and equity inclusion, and having more on-demand trainings for our staff.
So if people wanted to learn more about careers at Kids Above All, how would they go about doing that?
They can visit our website by going to www.kidsaboveall.org and clicking on the Careers tab.
Well, Jennifer, I want to say thank you to you and your staff for their work and for all that they do to place safety and well-being and education of kids above everything else. Thank you.
Thank you.
And please tune in next week for another episode of Putting Kids Above All.